Just a quick reminder, you will fall one day. Maybe it already happened. Maybe today's that day. You slipped, you relapsed, you lost yourself for a moment. And now what? You gonna stay down and cry over it forever? Or are you gonna remember who the you are? You didn't come this far to fold over one bad moment. You didn't build all that discipline, all that growth, just to let one slip define you. So yeah, feel it, own it, but don't dwell there. That pain, that guilt, use it, let it sharpen you. Because the truth is, this journey was never meant to be perfect. You're not weak for falling. You're strong for still being here, still breathing, still fighting. And don't forget to smile, King. Seriously, smile. You've already made it through so much. You've already grown in ways you probably don't even give yourself credit for. So stop being so damn harsh on yourself. Be proud of how far you've come. Even if you're not where you want to be yet, you're on the way, and that matters. So chin up, shoulders back, take that breath, forgive yourself, then keep fucking going. Because the fall doesn't define you. The comeback does. Your throne's still there. Your crown didn't disappear. And every step forward, even the small ones, still counts. Keep retaining your life force energy, King.